Full front line for Jasmine Nabor and the Flying Titans as she gets us going here in set number 3. Kat Tolentino. That one dug again by Bella Belen. Not a surprise how well she's defending today. Tolentino sets it up for Rondina. That one popped up by Jorvina. Bella Belen just able to get it over the net. Villegas is blocked. This is right in the middle, and Madrigal swipes it away.
That's just smart. She saw that the defense of Choco just scrambling. Nobody.
And for Madrigal, she has blocks. She's got attacks. Cross-court hit by Rondina. Another pipe attack by Belen, dug by Ponce. Rondina. Nabor goes to the middle. Madrigal is turned away.
Madrigal, well read.
Oh, Villegas has earned her starting spot there. Great lead. Solid solo block. So we expect this to be a long match.
And same road to their 4th game. Both lost their last 2 games as Rondina.
You know, both teams just feeling each other out.
Dina Wong chases it down. Cheng, dug by Adorador. Jimenez, off speed. That dig goes over for Kat Tolentino. Chance ball here. Jimenez. Des Cheng, blocked. Now Ponce will set it up for Kat Tolentino.
Wow!
Wow, Kat Tolentino with 14. As Kat Tolentino ties the game at 5. Gaston with a hit, dug by Rondina. Cheng. Normal pops it up. Belen, blocked. Belen again.
Wow!
And Bella
On the angle.
with a cross-court hit. She's got 15 points.
And most importantly, the approach that they needed to refine, especially when it comes to their out-of-system plays. It seems that this very factor is what got the Flying Titans to win that last set.
Yeah, no block touch. The fingers were straight. It's been a tough journey.
Yep. Great receive by CC Rondina. Des Cheng fires it outside. One of the best passers of the conference. 18 points now for Bella Belen. Going to be an off-system play. Good save.
Yeah.
But on the first touch,
Cheng finds a
Des
spot.
Cheng puts it away with her 8th point today. Adorador.
The dig.
Ponce will set it to Rondina. And CC
Rondina
now in double
for a
digits with
score
10. Adorador with 5 points.
You know what's important for Choco Mucho? You're down here. You have to remember how you won set number 2. It was a team effort. It can't be just Kat Tolentino.
Yep. Good save by the Solar Spikers. Drop attempt by CC Rondina. Belen. Oh, what a turnaround that is. From defense to offense for the Solar Spikers.
17 to 11.
Good serve. Kat Tolentino. And this dig will not come back. But again, you love the effort. Bella Belen, not just playing offense, playing defense as well. And CC will come up short.
You know, that's what we mean when we say leading by example. Because of the
Serving for the
effort.
Flying Titans.
The other teammates are like, okay, she's sacrificing herself.
So no more challenges remaining for the Flying Titans.
Ezra Madrigal
Well,
serving.
of course, for Choco Mucho, you're hoping that's not going to be an issue down the stretch.
What a block, Bella Belen. Nice looking serve for Tapia. Manabat. Tapia to Cruz to put it away. Not just yet. Cheng with a dig. Rondina. Got it.
Rondina says, hold on.
Well, you know she will keep fighting.
Second time in the game today. Belen from the back row. Dug by Mendrez. Rondina again. The coverage by Mendrez. Manabat down the line. 2 set points saved by the Flying Titans. But the Flying Titans have scored 2 in a row. They've saved 2 straight set points. Leila Cruz. We heard her name in the huddle. We need you, says Coach De Brito, and she delivers.